Page 55, blow the man down. 3/4 time. Got a pickup beat coming in on beat 3. And again, we're in this position here, except we also have D's. So what we're going to do is the thumb is going to cover the C and the D both. So you're here is what it is. Because otherwise we could come down here, but we need to have that A covered, so we're just going to stay there. And here. I mean, it's kind of a choice. We could come here and have the A do it. They're doing it this way. We'll have the thumb cover both of these keys when needed. The left hand's just got the chords. They're broken chords. Look at the first measure where the left hand plays the C. Play them all together. It's a C chord. It's a broken C chord because it's not all at the same time. That's block. This is broken. And this is a standard pattern you'll get a lot in 3/4 time. And if you're into improvising and you want that, this is something you can do in a 3/4 time signature. I tend to connect the first 2 notes and then separate the others. So it reinforces the natural accent as the first beat of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what I recommend you do here. They don't give you any indication for how to play them, connected or not connected or anything, so you're open to do what you want. Normally we connect them, but I do it this way. It's fun, try it. In the right hand, you got the slurs, so you're going to connect them. And these are phrases, so you lift up between each one. Just the dotted rhythms. Your 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and you'll get it slowly. You'll work out the rhythm. What you don't do is you wait for me or somebody to play it first and then copy them. Please don't. Learn to figure it out yourself. You'll be so much further along. So many people I've heard play, well, go ahead and play it for me. Let me hear it first and then I'll have it. And you try it first on your own and see how close you can get, and then come back and we'll talk about it. You know, I used to do that to my students. I'd sign them a new piece of music and we'd go over a few little things and they'd say, all right, you go work on it and see, and they come back the next week and I like to see how they do, because that way I can see what they know and don't know and how well they're doing, and then we can go over the details and fix what needs to be fixed. The melody's in the right hand. Dynamics, it says loud, that's the melody. Keep the left hand a little under that. It says moderately fast, that's sort of fast. If you're going to sing it, how fast would you go? This is a happy song, I guess. You have a fermata in the last line. You see the first measure? Normally you just hold it out. With a metronome, I'm going to double it. I'm going to hold it 6 counts and then keep going. Well, then in the last 2 measures at the bottom, there's a retardando. That means gradually slow down. So the last, what, 4 measures, is that? I can't slow down with a metronome, so I'm not going to. We'll just play it through. And again, watch the thumb. The last 2 measures here, and then the thumb's on the D, and then the C. So you're going to move the thumb around. Let's try it out. It's got a 1-beat pickup, so I'll give us 2 counts and we'll try it slowly. So the right hand is here to start, and the left hand's in C position. Ready, go. Hold, 2, 3.